Hello guys, this is Gaming with Awesome Fire 1234, and today I decided I would like to celebrate our 60 subscribers, which to most people isn't much, but to me it's a whole bunch. So I thought I would do a speed build for you guys because a lot of people liked my tutorials and a whole bunch more just off of Roblox and stuff. They usually said, how do you build your stuff? This stuff is so cool. Well, since I can't really give you talent, I can show you my talent in a very fast version. So, I hope you guys enjoy, and also, my next video I'm hoping will be a Q&A, which is questions and answers. So, if you have any questions about me, or my videos, or any tips or something you need to know with Roblox, or any kind of games you would like to request or something, like can you play this game or whatever, be sure to put them down in the comment section below, and from there I can read them and then do all kinds of cool stuff. So let's get started. is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Again, be sure to comment down below all your questions, and I will give you answers to those. I'll give you a brief little show around here. I forgot this part here. But, yeah, this is basically it. It's just kind of like this little warehouse area that's all destroyed, like burning buildings and stuff, and old destroyed trains and debris and rusted towers and cool things like that. But, again, I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe if you did enjoy this. You'd like to see more content like this. That would also be another thing to post down below, like, could you make more of these? That would mean a lot to me. Anyways, thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed. I will see you next time. Goodbye. That was a major voice crack. Alright, see ya.